Hi, this is Stevie Walker. I'll walk you through various places, products, and faces. I'll let your minds wander and let you see the things beyond the border. This is your Stevie Walker.
After resting for a while in a coast, we received a call to visit a city whose peace was once lost. The province of Lanao del Norte is blessed with beautiful landscapes such as these gently rolling hills planted with coconut trees, and its coastal plains host vast rice fields and numerous aquaculture industries. When you hear of the word Marawi, I understand why this place is somewhere you don't want to be. Historically, Marawi was called as Dansalan and was the capital of the then undivided Lanao province from 1907 to 1940. Marawi is located upon the lakeshore of Lanao and is inhabited by Maranao people. One of the objectives of this first trip of mine to Marawi is to observe closely the entrepreneurial spirit of the Maranao people. The Maranao people, or the people of the lake, are among the most vibrant entrepreneurs that I know, as each store sells unique items. This diverse entrepreneurial activity is similar to those that I have seen in some of the ASEAN countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia. And we just arrived in Mindanao State University, or MSU Maine. This state university was founded in 1961 and is the only university directly charged by the government to advance the cause of national unity and pursue integration through education. And what we are seeing are some of Maranao dances, and it just feels great to witness these dances of the Maranao people, as it is one of the most colorful, skillful, and lively dances in the Philippines. The city of Marawi is situated more than 2,300 feet above sea level. And when you're in Marawi, you could feel that its temperature is like that of Baguio City. Our next stop is the seat of power here in Lanao del Sur. Upon arrival, I suddenly remember my beautiful experiences as a tourist in the countries of Brunei, Malaysia, and Indonesia. I've heard a lot of stories as to how dangerous is Marawi, but I always believe that an ounce of courage is what it takes to see the real beauty of Marawi amidst its ambiguity. Years ago, some ISIS-linked militants took control of Marawi, and the government declared martial law in the city. That would then constitute the longest urban warfare since World War II in Philippine history. We're now entering the once main battle area. Before the Marawi siege, this area was a bustling commercial district that's overlooking the scenic Lanao Lake. As we press farther towards the heart of Marawi, the devastation that you see around attests to the fact that war is cruel in its every form. A lot of people have died here, and it's just so heartbreaking to see your hard-earned properties gone in just few months of that battle's run. They say that one of the reasons of extremism which causes war is the lack of infrastructure, opportunities, and access to good education. And right now, the government, together with foreign governments and agencies, are in the thick of rebuilding Marawi to usher the city into a new era of peace and development. Now entering Mapandee Bridge, which is one of the 3 bridges on Agos River. During the Marawi siege, the bridge separated Marawi into 2 zones. The northern half of Marawi was safe and was controlled by the military, and the southern or main battle area, which was sieged by the ISIS-linked terrorists. As we're about to end our tour here in Marawi, it's just my prayer that Marawi will reach its full potential as a modern and progressive Islamic city. Right now, the Maranao people are in the thick of rebuilding its city, and it's just a matter of time that we'll see a new Marawi. This is your Stevie Walker.